Hello, Lock Jockey here. I've got a Western Electric 29B. This is a 5-lever lock with false gates. I put these markings here to help me understand the tension zone. So that right there is going to be my sweet spot zone for the tension. If I go past it, if I go too much past these two lines here, I put too much tension on the levers. And also I've got a couple of lines on the bolt over here. The first line is my initial tension line, and then the second line that's further out, that's my false set line, which tells me I'm sitting in my false gates. So I'll be using kind of the sweet spot and also these lines on the bolt to help me work through the pick. Get it in there. First I kind of ram into the divider in between levers 3 and 4, and that's like my middle ground there too. I like my starting zone. Already getting ahead of myself. I'm on lever 5 now. I set everything else ahead of it just now. So I'm dialing back to the sweet spot zone. As I jiggle on lever 5, it also jiggles the bolt a little bit as well. Awesome. There you go, 29B. And such a beauty. There you go. So yeah, I'll take my pick and then I'll ram it right into this divider plate right here, and then I'll go ahead and pick this lever, and then you kind of scrape underneath it, and then it's just a very useful navigational divider. And these lines here were super useful for me to kind of help me understand where that false gate was sitting. This is the beautiful cutaway that Retip sent me as well, both the pair. This one has a great learning aid, but the tension inside of this enclosed version was completely different than this one. So when I can jiggle the false gate here, it's very free flowing, and then you can see the bolt just move really nicely. But it's very hard to see the bolt jiggle on this one. See or feel. But there's your 29B. Retep sent me the specs on his wire hook, on his lever tool. I appreciate that, man, and I appreciate all the tips and help you gave me again on getting through another lock. But there you have it. Here's the Western Electric 29B. Beautiful, beautiful. You can see the false gates on the levers in the back there on 5 and 4, and then also on lever 3. Awesome. There you have it. Thanks for watching.